Okay, so nothing to this at all. Got a nice little pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. You could add butter if you want. I've got 4 eggs, which I'm just going to beat. And I'm not going to overbeat them, you know. Just not going to go crazy. We're going to drop that in. Now I've got the heat on, but you know, just below a medium, you know. While I'm here, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some black pepper. I'm going to grab myself a spoon, and what we're going to do is we're just going to push this in, let the egg come out, you know, bring it in. The 4 eggs is quite thick for this size pan, but that's just kind of how I want it. So we're just going to keep drawing it in as it cooks, you know. Pull it in, let the raw egg out. Pull it in, let the raw egg run into the space. All right, I'm going to do that for the next couple of minutes. And that is looking beautiful. What we're going to do now is get some of our smoked salmon. I've got 100 grams here of salmon. This is quite, I mean, it's quite a lot again for this size, but I'm going for it today. I've got some nice black olives. The stone is still in these ones as well. These are a nice calamata. I don't have the heat too high because you're really going to burn underneath. And then I'm going to put some brie. I've got some lovely French brie here. Now if you want, you could fold this over. I'm going to just serve it open today. Just wanted it to go just for, you know, a minute or so. If you want, you could pop a lid on that now and it will kind of, you know, help the cheese melt. So off goes the heat. A little green onion or spring onions, whatever you call them. And I'm good, I'm happy with that. Delicious. And there you go, job done. Didn't take long at all, beautiful. That's it. Nice and quick. See you later. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, you know, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. You know, I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, you know, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.